Hi guys, hello and mabuhay. Welcome back to my channel, Junris React. How are you all guys? I hope you are doing well and amazing, and I'm so excited with this one because as you know, Eurovision Song Contest 2025 is upcoming and there are a lot of participants that the part of the Eurovision Song Contest are representing. And now let's travel in this country, Lithuania. Oh my god, how are you all guys? And I'm so excited with this one because we just discovered this amazing artist, and this is our first video reaction to. The title of this video is The Performance of Tabu Akis Catharsis During the Eurovisia LT 2025. I think this is a search, or this is a competition in their country of who will be the winner in this competition will represent the Eurovision Song Contest. I think Tabu Akis will represent Eurovision for Lithuania this year. And let's get to and credit also with the owner of the video to Lietuvos Nacionalinis Radijas Ir Televizija. Oh my god, I'll put in the description box below so that you can connect also with the owner of the video and watch the full video, since we have to do some few cuts for the video reaction purposes to avoid restriction in YouTube or Black Worldwide. Let's get to know first, or a little information with this artist from Lithuania. Tabu Akis pronounced as the translation is your eyes. Wow. His name is very like so meaningful. It's a song by Lithuanian alternative rock band Catharsis. It was written by Lukas Radzivikus and produced by Jurgis Miscellaneous. The song was released on 31st January 2025. Oh, it's just so latest this year and will represent Lithuania in the Eurovision Song Contest 2025. Oh my God. I think he just the person who won in their competition. That's why they found the potential in this guy to represent Eurovision, because Eurovision is diverse in terms of genre of music in the competition, and that's really really amazing. And I was so happy to know that Eurovision Song Contest, I think they will give more points to the people who will sing in their native language, or part of the judging is the native language that they have in using their songs. Yeah, and let me know in the comment section, guys, if that is true, because I think using your own language during the competition, or singing a song with your own language, I think that's crazy, incredible, and amazing. And it depends also how you interpret, how you give justice to the song during the competition. Mm. Release and songwriter. Wow, he is a songwriter and a producer. In Eurovisia LT 2025 was the national final format. Oh, this is the competition, or the organization who choose him to represent by LRT to select its entry for the Eurovision Song Contest 2025. It was held between 11th of January and 15th of February 2025. The competition saw 45 entries compete across 5 semifinals held between 11 January and 8th of February. Wow, this took so long. And this is amazing. Lithuania, I think they are searching or finding the best of the best artists in their country to represent Eurovision. And a final of 15th of February 2025, a 50-50 combination of jury and public vote determined the ranking in its pace. Oh, this is so difficult. With the top two entries from each semifinal out of the 9 total, qualifying for the final, the top 3 entries from the final moving on a final televoting round selecting the winner. In case of a tie in any of the previous stages, the jury ranking would take precedence. The score system was the same used at the Eurovision Song Contest. The top 10 entries from each of the jury vote and televote are assigned 1 to 8 and 10 and 12. Goodness gracious, they are using the same format during the final selection of this amazing competition. I was so goosebump about it reading with the information, because I think this is a good competition in their country to represent Eurovision. Eurovision is such a big stage that you can perform, or sending your representative in that stage, and that's so incredible. Let's get to it, guys, because I'm very very excited with this one. I think that's all the information, and let me know more uh about Akis, guys, about Tabo Akis in the comment section of more information about him and how he started. Let's get to it and enjoy. You're a superhero. Oh my God, I like the tone as he started with a few lines. It's like reading a poem or reading a poet. This is so amazing. The way how he just performed, even the simplicity of that tone. I know that because he is a rock star, sometimes started this mellow, sweet thing, but at the middle of the song, they will like hitting it. I'm so excited because I really like the tone he is giving. It's so the sweetness of it, the beautiful voice that he has, and the aura of his like face. It's so amazing. Bravo! This is incredible. Oh my God! Those high pitch, those high register. Rockstar, actually, those rockstar singers, rockstar artists, they really have the high pitch or the high register, because there are song of the rock songs that they really have to hit high in a different form, and he is incredibly amazing. I can sense that this guy is such a fantastic performer, and he's a really good artist. That's why he won Lithuania. And I really like those band, those playing with the guitar. It makes more of the music so like sweet and more dramatic in a way that there are accompaniments, the guitarists, the drummers, and everything will be like awesome in some. Wow. I really like the way how he just connected with the camera, the seduction, the way how he just talked to the camera, to the person watching, to all the audience watching. And that's really incredible because you really have to be connected with your audience. He really want to convey the song that he is interpreting towards us, that this is my music and this is the story of that music that I'm performing to you. This is so incredible. He is smart and brilliant in doing it. I really like the way how he just connected with the camera and seeing those beautiful eyes and those like the emotion he portrayed with so much passion on it. Wow, he's really really nice. And the whole like he is handsome, not just very very talented, but it's so handsome also. I like it so much. I love his vocal quality. It's phenomenal. God, wow. Oh my God, those high, like I think that's 8 counts of not breathing, like yeah, I think it counts. That it's sometimes an artist have this, they really have those high breathing, because there are part of your, of the lyrics of your song that you really have to hit that without like breathing in this counts, in this seconds, and he hits it so smartly. And yeah, goodness gracious, this is like beautiful. This is how you deliver the song. This is how you really have to be connected with the audience. And I really like he just eating the stage and walking it around, performing it, connected with your musicians, with your backup like guitarists, drummers, and singers. And that's amazing. Wow, bravo Lithuania. Oh my god. I really like it. Even like it's repeating tabo tabo. I don't know what's the, put the lyrics at the comment section, guys, so that I will know this song also. I really like the tone that is giving, the change of the tone. This is what I really like to a rock star, or a, like a rock type of genre of their music, because these guys can change their tone in different levels that you really cannot identify that this is the man who sang that one, or you really have those questions. And that's really incredible, and that's amazing about, so genius, so genius in doing it. I really like those vocal quality, the tone, like the melody of the song. It's really really amazing. It's so unique. Wow, how beautiful that is. Wow, that was so smart. That was so great. I was having fun. I enjoyed. I know that catharsis, I think there is a dark like meaning of it. There is something that you really have to ponder in that word, because catharsis, I think it's like a word that's like, it's really something that you really have to understand. Catharsis is something like, what do you call this one? Is a disease or whatsoever? Just let me know at the comment section. But the way how he delivered the song, I just really connected with it, because his facial expression, the way how he just connected with the camera, with the audience, the way how he just delivered the lyrics, it's amazing, and it's so really like fantastic. He is so brilliant. That's why he won, because he knows how he doing. He knows how he killed a song, a performance, and that's how you do it. Thank you so much. I was so happy, Luthania, for your performance too. To Tabu Akis. You are such a wonderful artist, to represent this year's Eurovisions. Good luck, and I know you really have to be part of those circle that strong contenders in this year's Eurovision 2025. Goodness gracious, I was so happy and I enjoyed it so much. I hope guys you enjoyed watching with this one too, and if you have some comments and suggestions for my next video reaction to any Tabu Akis performances, or any Lithuanian artist that you can suggest, put in the comment section. I would love to read and respond with you all. And please do consider like, share, and subscribe also to my channel, Junris React. Thank you so much, guys. Mabuhay and have a good day, everyone. God bless. See you in my next video reaction. Bye-bye, guys.